Hi Femis, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and you are in good health. Just know that we are a South African food channel content, and we cook whatever that we have in the house. Remember that in this house we do what we try and fail, however we never fail to try. Today we are just showcasing traditional food kind of vibes, anything traditional food related. Apologies on that. We have a samp, your normal pap, totlo from Botswana, stampali chicken, samp, and chicken and samp. Those are our meals. Beef stew, the food that we mainly, we are just familiar with in South Africa. Anyway, thank you very much, Femis, for watching. Always remember to try and fail. But the biggest mistake you should never do is to fail to try, right? So thank you very much for watching. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye.